Welcome, my friend. The usual thinking is that heaven is up in the sky. We can call it, we can say, yeah, that is true. But I want to suggest another attitude, that heaven is only the level of vibration you are allowing yourself to vibrate in or vibrate as. The whole creation vibrates. Scientists found that in 1 cubic space, scientists found that in 1 meter cubic of space, there's enough energy to boil all the oceans. That's how much power there is in creation. You're not exposed to that power because you live in a separation, in segregation. You live in identity that you are just you, this person, this mind, those emotions. The truth is that you are actually creation. You're all there is. You're one vibration with all there is. And your job on this planet is to realize exactly that. To allow your mind to be boundless. And then your mind suddenly feel the infinite ocean of being, which is you. And then your physical form will just synchronize with that. And that's heaven. You know it because you feel it, not because your mind tells you. You feel bliss, you feel peace, you feel love. Your mind connects to wisdom that tells you, this is the truth. It's beyond any religion, beyond any thought, beyond any dogma, beyond any philosophy, because your mind doesn't move in that state. It knows the truth because it just isness. It's just pure vibration, like your whole body. Once you're experiencing it, you know for sure, I am that I am. So big welcome to heaven. The way to achieve that state of being is by allowing your mind to expand, by allowing your mind to become boundless. After you're doing that, then you're inviting different parts of your human form, your emotional part, your physical part, your psychological part, to synchronize with that infinite being which you are. Normally when we meditate, we try to balance a human form, our mind, our emotion, as the human being. But you are not only the human being. You are the whole creation, and the human form which you are is actually part of you. And as the whole creation, you're inviting those parts to synchronize. Blessing on your practice. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask. Let's shine. And again, welcome to heaven.